Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the file and choosing exactly what to copy. This prevents accidental edits to the master. Open the part or assembly and save a backup copy, then enable selection filters and hide /show to simplify picking. Use Control-click or a box select to pick bodies, faces, or feature trees you intend to duplicate. Once done, verify the feature names and tree order so you know whether to copy a solid body, a feature, or a whole part instance before proceeding to export or copy commands. Now you perform the actual copy and control placement. If copying features within a part, use copy/paste or copy bodies and choose options like keep features or break link. For whole parts, use save as part or create a derived part to maintain or sever relationships. To position copies, use move/copy bodies, mates in an assembly, or mirror and pattern tools for repetitive placement. Make sure to pick correct reference geometry. Precise references keep dimensions and relations intact when you position the new copy. Finish by validating and cleaning up the copied geometry so the model behaves predictably. Rebuild the model and inspect the feature manager for errors, update or restore mates in assemblies, and rename copied items for clarity. If unwanted external references remain, use break link or save a derived part to sever associations. If something fails, roll back to the point before the copy, edit the problematic feature, then rebuild. This lets you see why the failure occurred and correct relations or sketches without starting over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.